Thanks for checking out Symphony on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.
PDP tells Lawan Gaya. The People's Democratic Party charges Senate President Ahmed Lawan to respect Nigerians by immediately returning the nomination of President Muhammadu Buhari's aide, Loretta Onoche, proposed to the Senate as a National Commissioner in the Independent National Electoral Commission back to Mr. President. The PDP asserts that Senator Lawan will have nobody but himself to blame for ridiculing his tenure in office if he fails to return the nomination as demanded by Nigerians. Consequently, the PDP has also asked the chairman of the Senate Committee on INEC, Senator Kabiru Gaya, to resist the attempt by Senator Lawan to drag him into a public ignominy and odium by engaging him to do an incredulous, irresponsible, and dirty job of returning the confirmation of Onoche to the committee of the whole Senate. The PDP charges Senator Gaya to immediately stand down all deliberations that concern Onoche before his committee. Senator Lawan must know that Nigerians are now holding him directly answerable for gross misconduct and impeachable act of perfidy for sending Onoche already dropped nomination to the Gaya's committee in utter violation of the provisions of the 1999 Constitution as amended and total derision for the sensibility of Nigerians. The party reminds Senator Ahmed Lawan that the reasons that forced his hands to stand down Onoche's faulted nomination 8 months ago have neither changed nor abated. The reasons are still sticking and they are not far-fetched. In case Lawan needs to be remanded, paragraph 14 of the third schedule of the 1999 Constitution, as amended, forbids a person involved in partisan politics to hold office as a member of INEC. Relying on the above, in demanding for a litmus respect for the supremacy of the 1999 Constitution, the PDP holds that Onoche, as a card-carrying member of the All Progressives Congress from Ward 5, Onitsha Olona, and the Onitsha non-local government area of Delta State, who is also a public campaigner for the APC and President Muhammadu Buhari, cannot by any stroke of imagination be appointed as an INEC official at any level under whatsoever guise. If anything, our party assures Senator Lawan that his desperation to appoint Onoche into INEC through the back door is an act of rebelliousness to the 1999 Constitution, as well as an impudence to the sensibilities of Nigerians that must never be allowed to stand. Therefore, the PDP directs our members and other democratically minded members of the National Assembly across party lines to activate and deploy all legislative instruments at their disposal against Onoche's confirmation as a National Commissioner of INEC. The PDP also directs all our members and all lovers of democracy across the country to get ready to use all legitimate means, including civic action, against Senator Lawan and the APC leadership in the Senate, if they do not resign their attempt to confirm Onoche at all costs. The intent and purpose of the PDP is to preserve the sanctity and credibility of INEC, and our party will never allow Senator Lawan and his APC to smuggle a fox into INEC's sheep pen in their bid to corrupt and further desecrate the commission and derail our national effort towards free, fair, and credible electoral process in our country. Our party also cautions Buhari presidency to end its ignoble attempt to compromise the Senate, as well as our electoral system, in its bid to perpetuate its misrule beyond 2023. I thank you and I welcome you. Any questions? The People's Democratic Party has prepared itself to test the section of the Constitution that says that a party member cannot be appointed into INEC in the court. So we are not waiting for confirmation or otherwise. We'll subject it to test in the courts. Yes. Louis, let me tell you something. That the People's Democratic Party is prepared to explore every legitimate process in stopping the confirmation of Onoche. And including part of that is what we have just raised, which is writing a memorandum to the Gaya Committee. If the Gaya Committee insists on proceeding with the clearance process, we will deploy every legitimate action against the committee and against even the process. Sumner, you know it as a fact. You covered the National Assembly just like I did. There's no jumping the gun. 8 months ago, the President of the Senate, in the wisdom of the entire Senate, dropped the nomination of Onoche. And all that we are saying, as a political party interested in credible, free, and fair election, is that the reasons that dropped the hands of Ahmed Lawan 8 months ago still stands today. And it is incredulous for the President of the Senate to return the list which he had dropped back to the Committee of the Whole and sending it to the Committee on INEC. Not even ascertaining himself, not even convincing himself that he listened to the floor and heard a yea or nay. And I challenge you, Sumner, go and watch that proceeding and tell me if any senator responded when the question was put. So we are not jumping the gun. The People's Democratic Party is not jumping the gun. We are demanding, and there's nothing wrong with the demand. No matter how far a man travels in the wrong direction, the day he discovers that he's on the wrong direction, he has a responsibility to himself to return to where he's coming from. So all we are asking the Senate to do is that there's no need to even entertain Onoche as a commissioner for INEC. Will President Muhammadu Buhari appoint Kola Ologbontiyan as INEC chairman? Will he? So why are we toying with that? Why are we going to encourage the president? Why are we going to encourage the National Assembly to, on its own, defy the 1999 Constitution that they have a responsibility to uphold? This is not a nation of vassals. It's not a nation of conquered people. We are a democratic nation, and we should follow the rules. The moment, Sumner, this is not a personal encounter with you. And you cover the Senate. And you know it as a fact that 8 months ago, not 6 months as you proclaimed, 8 months ago, the name of Onoche was brought to the floor. And the media space is awash with the fact that that nomination was dropped. Google it now, go on Google and search for it. But I don't want to make this a personal encounter between us. But the party has stated its own side of the story. Yes, buddy.